YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Stinger r39. I just got it today from the FedEx guy. First off, it has two clippable sights, one on the front, one on the back. This has 4 different aiming sights. That one's the largest. That one's the smallest. Second largest. Second smallest. That's large. Okay. It has 350 FPS. But I think it has more. I think it has like 380 because of the good hop up on it. I'll hop up on this side. See, hop up on. Hop off. I prefer it off because it goes way too far up. Holds 350 round magazine. Holds 18 right there. Right where it actually shoots. Mag release is right there. See? Very good. Trigger. Nothing is metal on this gun, so just so you know. Safety, fire, safe. See, it won't shoot. Fire. See, now it will shoot. You pocket right here. You pull it back, so it is spring. You push this button right here, which I'll push in, and fold the gun. And then to get it back out, you push it up, and then you pull it back out, like that. Very simple. It has 4 rails on the top, the longest rail of them all. On the side right here, the bottom right here, and the other side right here. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, right there. Yeah, got the orange tip, little extended barrel from there. It's in clear, and it can also come in black, so that's pretty cool. But I think that's it for the review. See you guys. Bye.